first burnout strip here. Kind of see where the start line there. They had it all watered down. Definitely had some fun yesterday, and we're headed to Nashville to have some more fun. All right, well, we were supposed to leave at 9 o'clock. We're up to our first traffic jam here, and we are actually out at, what time is it, 8:50?
It's 8:50, yeah.
So there's a turn to the right up here, and the cars are just starting to pile up. And just like that, we have our second traffic jam, which is just showing up here as an 8-minute delay. And we have gone, like, I think 3 minutes now.
Yeah.
Full speed, so we're doing pretty good. Well, we're still in some stop traffic for miles behind us and in front of us. So we got to go out to a 4-way stop. And we're going about 2 miles an hour for the last 10 minutes. Well, what's kind of great about Power Tour is sometimes you can just make your own route and you lose all the cars that you were following. But we're still going to the same place, and now we're going to be there afternoon. And so I'm pretty sure our little shortcut gets us to merge. Right here is the road that they were supposed to take, or actually we were supposed to take and missed it. And so yeah, I'm not sure where we're at with the cars. Here, hold that. Yeah. Show them merging. See if you see anything you recognize.
It just looks like a lot of trucks. It's one car. There's no traffic back there.
Maybe we're good then. It does show it's green all the way out. So
yeah.
Here's Devil's Elbow. That sounds fun. Okay, we're entering the line at
110.
At 110. We're 2.2 miles out, and it is a red all the way until we turn to the track, which basically means this is the traffic jam we have for over 2 miles, and they're piling up behind us too already. We're not moving very fast at all. We'll figure out what time we actually get in there. It claims 1:20. I don't see that being likely. So if you were wondering if Nashville was going to be fun to get into, yeah, again, Power Tour Prep 101, you have to have a car that doesn't overheat. Most important thing is, before you get stuck in traffic like this in hot weather, to not overheat. Otherwise, you're going to be, yeah, you're gonna have problems. We have 1.2 miles left of our 1.8, and it's been a half hour.
1.8.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
anyway, we'll let you know what the actual time is when we get in, but yeah, people are overheating like crazy.
It took about 22 minutes to get 1 mile.
Yeah, so that's what? I would have to do the math. I think it's like, we could have definitely walked to here faster.
0.08 miles per hour.
Yeah, 0.08 miles an hour. I think that's your blood alcohol. But anyway.
Well, I mean that too, but no,
it's got to be more than 0.08. One thing that you find in a non-air conditioned club is when you can get underneath a tree in the road, it's great because the temperature definitely increases right about now, as the sun is now baking us again. Well, we've made it to the parking lot of the Nashville Super Speedway, and looks like this year what they're doing is they're putting us all into the parking lot in rolls, and we're going to merge up to get around to the inside of the track. We finally made it into the cement portion and waiting in line to figure out, hopefully there's a way to get in there that doesn't take another 45 minutes, but actually that wasn't too bad. It was less than an hour. So
Yeah.
I think it was pretty good for where we're at. Like, we legit left before we were supposed to leave. And look at how packed the infield is already. And we're backed up all the way around the back of the track. So that's kind of crazy. So as long as I make it in here for the autocross before they close it, that's really my only thing that I care about doing today. And I get the punch on my card because, you know, you got to get the metal plaque. But yeah, we are not early at all. Yeah, there's like a legit steady stream of cars leaving the track already. And we haven't even got here. And we really did think we were here early. So this is the endurance test of a cooling system. Mine is sitting exactly where it sits. It's a little bit higher than I wanted, but that's the thermostat that's in there. And the GoPro won't do any justice to that, except for this is what, corner 3? Or, yeah, I don't even know which way it's laid out. But we're wrapped all the way around the entire speedway, still waiting to get in. This is a lot of cars to go to one place. So not only are the car lines long, this is the line to goes all the way down there and then circles back around to meet Derek from Vice Grip Garage, and he's going to sign something for you. That's a long line. We've been here for what, an hour?
Over there.
And as far as you can see, coming around the track, there's still a line of cars that have to make it all the way around the outside to either park on the outside of the track, or if they're gold or platinum, come on the inside. But yeah, that is a long line of cars. All right, so I think we've been here for what, an hour and a half at least? What time is it?
About an hour.
At least an hour. Here's the trailer. I'm pretty sure coming in right now, the Hot Rod Power Tour trailer and car, that we took that turn and got around them. So we saved at least an hour. That's, wow. 100%. Wow. Wow, we really did get ahead.
We did, but we didn't cut that much land.
Not land, but time.
Yeah.
Unless they stopped and got dinner somewhere. We got our cards punched, and we're gonna go get in the car and take it on the autocross, I think. If we can figure out how to get there. This place is just jam-packed with cars. Well, so the traffic lines go, we have been in the car now for about 15 minutes and have moved about 45 feet where we were. And they have shut down autocross, so I missed it. And we're still sitting in traffic at the venue. So getting in was kind of sucky. Getting out seems to be worse.
You try not letting them.
Yeah, when you put this many people in a place this size, and it's crazy. I don't know if you can see up on the road up there. Those are the people that are still coming in that haven't made it to the venue yet. They still have to get all the way to the other side of the track just to get parked. And if they're like long haul, they're outside and have to walk in. So it's about 45 minutes so far that we've been sitting in the car to get from that side of the parking lot almost to the exit sign. So, and we are now in the stop side of the road for a minute. still coming. Well, we made it all the way to Nashville. We're here downtown Comfort Inn. We're gonna figure out exactly where everything is, and probably gonna go walking and listen to some music and checking out downtown Nashville. It's actually one of the favorite colors. I don't know if the camera can even get it because of the glare. So when the sun's going down, it turns gold instead of just the purple and the green. It gets this gold color, but it's only when the sun's like going down. So my first requirement has been completed for coming on Power Tour, and that was to get into Tennessee and pick me up a few more bottles of this stuff. For some Popcorn Sutton bourbon whiskey. This is their master blend. I also bought a couple other bottles of some stuff, but moonshine tasting in Tennessee has begun. We got our first load. We're going back out for, well, we're not probably gonna buy any more moonshine. Well, you never know. I don't plan to buy any more moonshine, but we have another 3/4 mile walk back to downtown. We're gonna go listen to some music and check out the streets and see what we can find. But there is another moonshine tasting that I found, kind of in the same block as Kid Rock's bar, and it had really good reviews, so that's where we're going next. But this is what I actually came here and why I wanted to stay in downtown Nashville. The only place I know that sells this is Old Smoky Distillery. Get to watch a pretty awesome sunset here down in downtown Nashville. Well, at least that much of it, because we got a long walk ahead of us. Actually got a little bit better shot of it between the buildings here. Well, after walking into the downtown area twice, I'm pretty sure we clocked probably about 3 miles from what my legs feel like. Picked up the moonshine that I really came to Tennessee to get. And yeah, it's about 11 o'clock. We're gonna crash. Well, technically, I'm gonna jump in my hot tub that apparently I have. That didn't know I got a hot tub. I have to say, this hot tub is kind of like a Power Tour hot tub, because look at how fast the water is not coming out. I've had it running for a minute, and it's barely touching the bottom of the tub. It's gonna take like 2 hours just to take a bath. Wow.